Bulavinaka and a very good day to you all. I'm delighted to join in this handing over ceremony, and I'm also glad that you have gathered here to witness the official handing over of the Youth Farm Initiative Grant. We have been identifying the needs of our youths throughout the country to keep them engaged and also to find out the challenges that they have. And that is why we are here to meet you, to listen to you, and to provide you the materials, the equipments, and the seedlings that you have requested for. And of course, other means for you to become a productive contributors to the national food security. At this juncture, I would like to commend the members of the Qelema Youth Club who have engaged themselves in the social work and have also attended and worked hard in the individual farms during this COVID-19 pandemic. I'm also told that the youth club and its advisor were able to secure 5 acres of Matangali land to be cultivated and utilized. In fact, this program itself is a partnership. It's a three-way partnership between the landowners, the youth club, and the Ministry of Youth and Sports. So can we all put our hands together and thank the landowners for providing that land to their sons and daughters for farming. I'm confident that these new farming materials by the Ministry of Youth and Sports will not only boost the youth club's income earnings, but will be an efficient and a regular source of income for your communities. Let me also remind all of you who have gathered here that this time and day will not come back. In other words, you will have to put in all effort to the work that you are doing. You need to be focused. And this is the message that I used to give to all the youths that I visit, that gone are the days of our elders. They have done their share of work. Now it is our turn to give back to them. And I'm very confident whatever I have been told by my staff about your youth club members, I have got no doubt in my mind whatsoever that you will fail, but instead you will succeed. Since the commencement of this program, we have assisted close to 294 registered youth clubs in farming. But during the last flooding, some of the youth farms have been destroyed. And I want to give my assurance to all those youth clubs whose farms have been destroyed, that after the assessment, we will provide them more assistance so that they can continue in their farming. For your youth club here, I'd also like to want to give an assurance that whatever that you have requested for, that is not the end of the assistance. My team will come around, they will monitor, and if you have worked hard and progressed well, and there will be need for more assistance, take it from me that we will provide those type of assistance in future as well. So really, the ball is in your court. You have to prove it. You have to work towards that to make it success. So with these few words, now I want to hand over this grant under the Youth Farm Initiative Program to the Qelema Youth Club, and I want to wish you all very best in your farming. Inaka, and thank you.
Presidente, bitabi na ka man